Hello everyone, welcome to my new video series of general science. So in this video we're going to start general science question which is important for all examinations like GSI and others exam. So the first question is the powerhouse of cell is. So mitochondria is the powerhouse of cell. So option B will be the correct. So this is your option B and which will be the correct. Next is plasma membrane is built up of. So plasma membrane which is built up of protein and lipid. So option D, that is option A and option B. This one and this one will be the correct. So next question is which organelle in the cell other than nucleus contains DNA? So in the nucleus mitochondria and chloroplast contains DNA. So in the option only mitochondria, which is option D, is there. So option D will be the correct answer. Next is how does the plant cell differ from the animal cell? So plant cell and animal cell are differ from cell wall. So option B will be the correct answer. Next is what is not found in animal cell? So in previous question we see cell wall. So cell wall of the cellulose which is not found in animal cell. So option A will be the correct. Next, in which of the following is fundamental physical quantity? So as we know there are 7 fundamental quantities which are mass. First one is mass, second one is length, third one is time, fourth is temperature, fifth one is luminous intensity, sixth one is electric current, and seventh is amount of substance. So these are the 7 fundamental quantities. So option third, that is electric current will be the fundamental physical quantity. So option third will be the correct. Next question is the unit of power is. So power which is, so the power is defined as work divided by time and which is equals to watt. So option third will be the correct unit of power. Next is the SI unit of resistivity of conductor is. So resistance of a given material which is R, which is equals to rho into L upon A. So here R is resistance and the unit is ohm, and rho is resistivity which is constant for a given material, and rho is resistivity. Next is L is the length of the wire and A is the cross section area. So here unit will be meter and this unit will be meter square. So if we put ohm which is equals to rho meter upon meter square, so 1 meter will be cancelled out. So the unit of rho which is electrical resistivity will be ohm meter. So option D will be the correct. Option D will be the correct answer. Ohm meter. Next is the light year is the unit of. So the light year is unit of distance, and the distance which is traveled by light in 1 year is 9.64 into 10 to the power 15 meter. So option A will be the correct answer. Next is match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. So acceleration, so the unit of acceleration will be meter per second square. Force will be mass into acceleration, which means Newton. So the unit of force will be Newton. Next one is work done. So the unit of work done will be joule. And the last one, impulse, which is equals to Newton second. So these are the correct match. Next is the positive charge part at the center of the atom is called. So the positive charged part at the center of nucleus atom is nucleus, and electron, which is negative charge, moving around the nucleus. So the answer will be nucleus. Next is constituent of atomic nucleus are. So constituent of atomic nucleus are proton and neutron, and electron is revolving around the nucleus. So answer C will be the correct. Next is atomic nucleus was discovered by. So atomic nucleus was discovered by Rutherford. So option A will be the correct. Next is in atom neutron was discovered by. So neutron was discovered by Chadwick. So option second will be the correct. Next is which of the following pair constitute particle antiparticle pair. So electron and positron, that is option A will be the correct. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.